After installing the drone, let's turn on the camera. First, we have to fly a drone. Turn on the remote control first, fly the drone again, finally turn on the camera. The way to turn on the drone is to press and hold the power button once. Then turn on the drone. After turning on the drone, the gimbal will rotate. After rotating, click the switch on the back of the computer. Then look at the remote control. A fixed back icon will appear in the lower right corner. Click on the window box. Now I just wait for the camera to turn on. Well, now our cameras are on. There is a collection software in it that starts automatically. The software is now open. Then what is displayed here is the status. The camera's connection status will be displayed, and the connection status of the drone.